Saltwater bass, boat ramp champ, about to launch the Dakota 1448. Check me out, I'm all battery powered right now. Got the red and the green going. It's gonna be a quick video so we can get out on the water. But we're at the ramp right now. Got the depth finder set up, fuel tank full. Got my flashlight and my needle nose pliers. Brought the trolling motor just in case we want to get up on some docks, on some snook. Cleaned the boat out best I could earlier. Still a little dirty. Got that Johnson's running good. It's actually a 25 even though it's got a 20 cowling. Got my red top as my starting battery. My bailing cup just in case. We got no leaks, but you never know, I might hit an oyster bed or something. Got the St. Croix Bass X with the Daiwa reel. And just so y'all know I'm not racist, I brought the pen on the pen tonight. Got my high-powered flashlight. A few other things. Brought the big boy tackle box and a cooler. Real simple. Anchor.